Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change the font size in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to display and brightness, and here select font and display size, and here font size option is available. By default it is set to second point. Okay, if you would like to second point is this default, and third one is large, then fourth point is extra large, and fifth point is largest. Okay, this is very large size. See here, font size has been changed to very maximum. Okay, if you would like to decrease font size again, go to the same settings, display and brightness, and here select font and display size, and move this point to the left side. Okay, this is default, second point is default, and left to the second point is very small size. Okay, so if you would like to use only default option, just to keep it in the second point, and then default font size will be applied back to your phone. So in this way you can easily set or change font size in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.